Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to be showing you around this huge specification 2018 68 plate Ford Mondeo ST line. Lovely car, finished in this lovely metallic paintwork. You can tell the car's truly been cherished by the previous owners. Very nice low mileage and has all the specifications. So we're riding on these lovely 19-inch 5 twin spoke alloy wheels. They're finished in a sort of dark graphite grey. We've got privacy glass ST line body kit, so all colour coded lowers of the front bumpers, rear bumper, side skirts which are nice and flared. We've got dual exhaust, gloss black lower diffuser, ST badging. We've got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. You've got front parking sensors also. Electric tailgate, parcel shelf is present, split folding rear seats. Down here, space saver spur wheel. Press the button, elegantly glides down. Inside then is a lovely half leather or part leather sports interior. So we've got charcoal grey detailing. This is a fully electric heated front seat. 3-way memory, so you can be driver 1, partner can be driver 2. Press of a button that will fully adjust the seats and the mirrors to exactly where you want it. Fully electric park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows. We've got automatic lights, automatic wipers, and we've also got lane departure warning. Full leather multifunction steering wheel, so on here is our cruise control, speed limiter, voice command, volume and media controls for the display. And then this vehicle is powered through the automatic box. So you've got the flappy paddles on the steering wheel allowing you to drive the car manually. As we're doing the video today, it's a low mileage example. It's only covered 19,472 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Coming through to the centre display, I'll show you through some of that specification that I mentioned. So DAB radio, all the extended channels, climate control, which is a dual zone climate, so passenger has a different climate to the driver. Quite a nice warm day here in Wigan, ice cold air conditioning blowing through the car. Bluetooth phone, satellite navigation, another nice thing to have. Mobile apps. And then clicking through to settings, you've got all your bits and bobs through there. Heated front screen, heated seats, sport mode on the gearbox, automatic stop start, parking sensors which you can switch on and off. As I mentioned, we've got reversing camera, we've got front and rear parking sensors also. Both keys with the car, central armrest with 2 USB ports, and then service history is very good on the vehicle as well. So the books, the locking wheel nut, everything which was supplied with the car from new is still with the car there today. So if you'd like anything further on the car, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching and we look forward to your inquiry.